Hey, welcome back. Office 365 ATP protects users from advanced threats through features such as safe attachments and safe links. ATP also generates reports which provides administrators with insight into attacks targeting their tenant through email. My name is Sushant Satish, and I'm your instructor for this Microsoft 365 Certified Security Administrator Associate course. After this lesson, you should be able to describe how safe attachments is used to block zero-day malware in email attachments and documents. Describe how SafeLink protects users from malicious URLs embedded in email and documents that points to malicious websites, and explain how advanced threat protection capabilities extend to SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Let's learn about how Office 365 ATP expands on Exchange Online protection. Once the email passes through the frontline defenses provided by EOP, it is further analyzed by ATP's safe attachments and safe link features for anything suspicious. The first stage it goes through after EOP is safe attachments. In safe attachment, it analyzes attachments by detonating them in hypervisor sandbox environment where the attachment undergoes behavior analytics if it delivers a malicious payload that modifies the registry, system settings, access rights, and so on. The next stage is safe links. In this stage, it checks any URL that are embedded in the message body by validating them against a list of URLs that are known to be malicious. If URL detonation is enabled and a link that is embedded in message or attachment points to a file on an external web server, SafeLink downloads the file to the sandbox environment where it is analyzed in the same manner as suspicious email attachment. This is an example image which shows what happens as mail flows through Exchange Online protection and ATP anti-malware pipeline. Let's understand safe attachments in detail. People regularly send, receive, and share attachments such as documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. Safe attachment is a feature in Office 365 ATP that opens every attachment of supported file type in a special hypervisor environment and checks to see if the attachment is malicious and then takes appropriate action to protect your organization. It is designed to protect organization by detecting malicious attachments even before antivirus signatures are made available. Safe attachment analyzes attachments that are common targets for malicious content, such as different versions of Office files such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, executable file types, and Flash files. So how does it work while selecting attachment to test? Safe attachments works on email attachments that are received from senders in your organization and external senders who are outside of your organization. The feature protects your organization according to policies that are set by your Microsoft 365 enterprise or security administrators. When an ATP safe attachment policy is in place and someone covered by that policy views their email in Microsoft 365, their email attachments are checked and appropriate actions are taken based on organization's ATP safe attachment policies. Second type of testing is attachment testing. Attachments are tested in virtual environments that run different versions of the Windows operating system and applications. The attachments are executed or detonated and undergo a behavioral analytics to determine if the file executes malicious behavior such as installing a Trojan horse or a virus that makes changes to the registry or system settings that result in the system or network being more vulnerable to attack. The third type of testing is safe attachments example. Depending on how your policies are defined, people can continue working without ever knowing they were sent malicious files. Now let's talk about safe links. Safe links is a feature in ATP that provides users from malicious URLs that are commonly used in phishing attacks to extract sensitive information from a user. When an email with an embedded URL is delivered to a recipient, the web page or attachment on the other side of the link may be safe to view at the time of delivery, but it may not be safe at the point in time when the user opens the email and clicks the link. Safe links protect the user by rewriting the link in the message body so that the link is checked at the time it's clicked instead of when the message is delivered. When a user clicks a link in a message or document, Safe Links checks to see if the link is malicious by redirecting the URL to a secure server in the Microsoft 365 environment that checks the URL against a block list of non malicious websites. If the site is safe, then the browser is redirected to the original destination website. But if the site is on the block list, then the user is blocked and the browser displays a warning page like this example image. What is URL detonation? URL detonation is a capability that combines elements of safe links and safe attachment into a single feature to protect users in the event a link points to a malicious file on a web server. When a user clicks a link to a file on the web server, the file is downloaded into Safe Attachment sandbox environment and detonated. As the content is being analyzed, a web page is presented to the user explaining that a scan is in process. If the file is ultimately determined to be malicious, then the user is redirected to a warning page advising the user that the site is malicious. Please note that this option can only be configured in a custom policy you create. The option is not available in the default policy. Let's talk about Office 365 ATP for SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. People regularly share files and collaborate using SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. With Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection, your organization can collaborate in a safe manner, and ATP helps detect and block files that are identified as malicious in team sites and document libraries. So, how does it work? When a file in SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, and Microsoft Teams have been identified as malicious, ATP directly integrates with the file stores to log that file. This is an example image which shows the example of malicious file detected in a library. Although the blocked file is still listed in the document library and web, mobile, or desktop application, the blocked file cannot be opened, copied, moved, or shared. And this is an example which shows how it looks like on a user's mobile device. That concludes Office 365 ATP lesson. In the next video, we're going to learn about how to manage safe attachments. So I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care.